Why is hypochlorous acid so effective? Why does it work better than some of the other products out there? And this is where following the science is so important. If you have what are called planktonic bacteria, and all that means is free-floating bacteria like plankton in the sea, just about anything will kill it. Betadine, chlorhexidine, but that's not really the issue in most patients and most clinical settings. A lot of people, especially with chronic wounds, it is no longer free-floating or planktonic bacteria. It's bacteria that are embedded in the wound in a very complex form called a biofilm. And a biofilm is actually a fairly simple concept. It is like a roof on top of the bacteria. And this biofilm protects the bacteria from a lot of products out there. And what's unique about hypochlorous acid is its ability to penetrate biofilm. So there are lots of reasons based on good science of why hypochlorous acid can penetrate an infected wound, especially one with a lot of contamination. And this is why it's the primary substance that I would use. And again, the reason I use PhaseOne is I know that it's stable and pure. And when I put it on a complex wound, I know that what it says on the label is what I'm delivering to the patient.